Buckle up, because today we're bringing you a turnkey, completely reimagined gem.
On nearly 7 acres of open green space, mature forest, and direct access to the Wye River.
And a detached heated shop with all of your utility payments covered for you.
Wait, no utility payments?
Hop on, Dev, because we got all that and more on today's episode. Dev, that fresh country air, I mean, nothing beats it, and we have got a whole lot of that here today at our newest listing. We're at 780 Marshall Road in Tiny, and we are here sitting on 6.85 acres of incredible property. I mean, we've got all of this open green space, as you can see around us here, spot for the kids to play as well as you to get the garden going and just kick back and relax. But we also have a completely reimagined home here. Now, the owners have completely reimagined this 1970s build and taken it up to today's standards and more. I mean, we've got a stunning raised bungalow with 3 beds and 1 downstairs, as well as 3 full bathrooms. And every inch of this home has been touched with a phenomenal renovation, as well as an addition to just expand that living space. Everything has been completed in the last year. And even further than the cosmetics, I mean, we've got all of those worry items, the big ticket items, like the furnace, which is brand new, along with the AC. They put in all new ductwork and converted it from rad, so you don't have to worry about that. The majority of the windows have been done with this renovation as well. And the not so sexy items, I mean, I'm talking the septic. It is completely brand new, so you don't have to worry about that either. It is an incredible package, and we can't wait to get inside. But it doesn't end there, because as you can see, we've got this oversized heated detached shop with over 2,000 square feet of space on the main, as well as the loft upstairs. An incredible part of this property. But again, we're on nearly 7 acres here. Like I said, we've got the parkland, we've got the forest, the open space, but we also have almost 600 feet along the Wye River system. I mean, this is truly a spectacular property. We can't wait to get you inside. But Deb, before we do, why don't you tell us a little bit about where we are here today?
That's right, Brendan. This really is a property of dreams. But today we are located in one of the gems of Simcoe County, which is Tiny Township. Now let's talk daily conveniences. We do have the country feel here, but we actually have all your daily conveniences right at your fingertips. We're 10 minutes to Midland, 20 minutes to Wasaga Beach, and 30 minutes to Barrie for all your daily amenities, grocery shopping, restaurants, and so much more. But let's get into the fun stuff. Now, I personally would never want to leave this oasis, but if you do, especially in the summertime, you are just minutes from all of the private tiny resident access to Georgian Bay, beautiful beaches, beautiful water, plus you're so close to Wasaga Beach, you're also minutes away from the tiny rail trail, so all your hiking, cycling, biking needs. Plus, in the wintertime, it gets even better. For all you snowmobilers, you have so many trails right at your front door, plus some of the best skiing. Now let's get inside and take a closer look.
Welcome inside 780 Marshall Road. Now, as we talked about out front, I mean, this property packs a serious punch, and you do not have to worry about a single thing, because this entire house has been refinished just in the last year. I mean, look at this phenomenal kitchen we have here. We've got the 2-tone modern flat face cabinetry here, the quartz countertops, as well as this oversized island with plenty of seating for 4 here. We've got the upgraded stainless steel appliance package. Again, the chef in you is going to have everyone over here in this space, and the way that it just opens up and overlooks the dining and living areas makes it that much more open and airy, on top of all this natural light coming through these large windows and patio door, coupled with the cathedral ceilings. I mean, it is an incredible spot to just hang out, kick back, and relax. And I mean, on those cool winter nights, you've got this gorgeous linear fireplace here wrapped beautifully in the black shiplap. But my favorite part about this level has to be this walkout, completely covered porch we have here. Tons of room to just kick back and relax, enjoy that morning coffee or the evening glass of wine or cold beer. You can dine al fresco, even if it's raining, because we have the covered porch with the pot lights. It is truly a spectacular setting. Overlook those nearly 7 acres. Now the front half of this house is truly spectacular, but the back half is just as convenient and functional. I mean, we've got 3 large bedrooms there. The owners completely reconfigured the floor plan and were able to add a second bathroom. Again, taking this 1970s build up to today's standards. We've got 2 generous sized bedrooms as well as a full 4-piece bathroom, but that primary suite is the star of the show for me. I mean, we've got a beautiful walk-in closet, a 5-piece spa-like ensuite with heated floors. And the best part has to be that west-facing balcony that you have private to just the primary suite. So if it's not this covered porch in the front part of the house, you can end your day back there in true serenity.
Welcome to the lower level, where we pick up an additional bedroom and full bath perfect for overnight guests or those adult children. And we continue into a flex space that's perfect for coming down, hanging out with the family with the cozy fireplace and turning on a movie, but you don't actually feel like you're in the lower level because this space is flooded with natural light. Now we also have checked all the boxes for those daily conveniences, like a large laundry room plus garage door access that's perfect for dropping all your groceries and putting away those winter coats. It also gives the potential for an in-law suite capability.
Now, if you follow us and watch a lot of our videos, you would think that we'd be wrapping things right now. I mean, we've got this incredible home on this stunning property, but we're not done yet. We have got over 1,150 square feet on the main level of this incredible detached garage here, which is heated with radiant in-floor heating throughout. We've got 2 bays that's extra deep, so tons of space here for all of those toys, as well as the workshop. I mean, I'm thinking the ultimate hobby zone here. I'm thinking the ultimate man cave, or perhaps it is the ultimate work from home setup. But that's not it, because that staircase right there takes you up to an incredible loft where we have over 900 more square feet of incredible space. You've got a gym up there at the moment. It could be an office for that home-based business, or again, maybe set up the ultimate man or lady cave, kick the kids out of the house because they certainly will not want to leave that space up there. I mean, it is an incredible part of this property all around.
All right, Brennan, we've covered a lot of ground, literally nearly 7 acres of an oasis of a property where the kids can run and play, where you have recreation paradise right at your fingertips. Plus you have an incredible detached shop for all those toys. You have in-law suite potential and an incredible home that will blow your guests away.
Yeah, Deb, I mean, this property is incredible. That list just keeps getting longer, and I'm about to add a little bit more to it. Now, as we alluded to at the very beginning of this video, you don't have to make a single utility payment here. Now, that's not entirely true, Deb. You still have to make those payments, but you are fortunate to be one of the few who actually have a MicroFIT solar contract on this property, and it is offering nearly triple back into your pocket what it costs for hydro today. So you can use the income generated from that contract to completely pay all of your utilities and more. I mean, you could put that towards your taxes. You certainly don't need to put it towards maintenance because everything is done here, or maybe it's just a little bit off of the mortgage. I mean, it is an incredible program and will still be in place, transferable to the new owner here for many years to come. And on that utility front, sticking with that for a minute, usually you see the big green propane tanks out in this part of the world, but not here. We actually have natural gas running to this property, so it's just that much more convenient and efficient. So again, we've got the property, the house, the shop, the river, the conveniences. I can't think of anything better other than having you come and move in for yourself. Now, we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Tiny Township. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.